Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by getting the dataset ready. Make sure columns are typed correctly because graphs lie when types are wrong. Next, trim or impute missing values so scales remain stable. Once done, import the file, CSV, Excel, or a direct DB connection into your graphing tool. Then map fields, choose X and Y, set labels and units. Do this now, don't overconfigure. These first steps let you see structure immediately and avoid wasted redesign later. Now you focus on axis design and aggregation choices. These control interpretation. Choose linear for uniform distributions or log for wide ranges, and select aggregation, sum or mean, so points represent what you intend. Then set axis limits and sensible tick intervals to avoid distorted impressions. Once adjusted, add secondary axes if needed for mixed units. Make sure labels show units and formats. Finally, apply color and marker rules to encode categories, so patterns jump out without clutter. Finish by polishing labels, legends, and captions. A clear title and source note prevent misreading. Then export in the needed format, PNG for slides, SVG for print, or interactive HTML for web, checking resolution and accessibility. Once exported, validate. Sample a few raw rows against plotted points, and ask a peer to spot anomalies. If numbers disagree, check axis scales and aggregation first, common culprits. If problems persist, revert to the clean source and rerun the aggregation to troubleshoot.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.